I would like to congratulate you with your innovation.
Thank
I
you,
would like
sir.
to reiterate my statement earlier that innovation, there is something that you inject to the existing, or it might be you are the first one who discovered this something. That is what we call innovation. Ma'am, maghambal kita, ma'am, Drive. Actually, available siya ang Drive. Google Drive, hard drive. Kung Google Drive, available na siya sa web. Kung hard drive, baklo naton. If you want more, let's say for example, you are given 1 terabyte, pwede ka kabakal as much as 16 terabytes. Okay? So that means, there is new to this. Because ang purpose ng drive is actually for storage and sorting of files and documents. Okay. Paminsan ko kagain na ma'am, nga gusto ko ta na ipamangkot kung ikaw mismo ang nag-develop sang system. Kaya kung ikaw ang nag-develop sang system, kung gitawag mo siya Drive for All, that is a very good innovation. Kaya nag-ubra ka sang system nga mabuligan ta kung paano i-sort kag i-store ang mga files naton, which is free from hacking. Now, haba ka kagain na ma'am, nga gintagaan ka mo ma'am sang DepEd 1 terabytes. Ang 1 terabytes na ma'am is just a simple nga may ara ka mo storage capacity. 1 terabytes. But it doesn't mean nga gitagaan ka mo sang authorities sang Department of Education nga maka-open access ka mo sang files, di ba ma'am? Or else, ginhack nyo na ang files sang DepEd nga ginhatag sa inyo.
Let us go back to the main purpose of this innovation. The main purpose of this innovation is not to give another work or any problem to the teachers, but to make their work easier by by giving easy access on collecting and gathering data for our reports.
Okay, ma'am, sige. Thank you so much for that clarification. So please secure data privacy and your strategy on hacking if time comes nga ma-hack. Actually, ang mga files, ginahack gid man, di ba ma'am? Mga virus. That is why ma'am, nag-suggest ko di ma'am sang pag-o ma'am, tani mga innovation title. Kay do kabugat sang imo ma'am nga title ma'am, pasimpulon ta lang ma'am. Drive for All. Behonians, correct akong pag-pronounce, goes for digitization.
Wow.
Amo na siya ma'am. Nag-campaign lang kamo ma'am, nag-promote na kamo ma'am nga dapat ang tanan nga mga pong be digitized because we are living in a digital world.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much, ma'am, and congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. That will be taken.